Good morning, my dear boys of class 12. Today, I am going to cover a topic: physiological factors determining flexibility. Or what are the factors? What are the physiological factors which determine flexibility? There are a few factors which determine flexibility. Number one, muscle strength, the strength of the muscle. Strength and flexibility both are related to each other. Strength, muscular strength, helps an individual to attain flexibility. Better to say, to attain flexibility, strength is needed. Suppose you are going to stretch your leg, strength is needed. You are going to you are going to stretch your muscles, joints, certain amount of strength is always needed. As you know earlier, that strength is the ability to overcome fixed resistance. So, if you apply strength on your joints, considering your own condition, then flexibility can be attained. Strength plays an important role to attain flexibility. Flexibility का हिंदी लचीलापन. Structure of the joints, number two. Good structure, perfect structure of the joints, the location of the ends of the bones in the joints and their structure also plays a great role to attain flexibility. Suppose a boy or girl who is having some bow leg and a little bit deformed or bent knee, they cannot attain flexibility much. But you all watch football, you have seen the joints, the structure of the joints of Cristiano Ronaldo. This is the structure of the joints. Straight, no bent ends in the joints. Good structure, strong joints can attain more flexibility. So structure of the joints, perfect structure of the joints, anatomically perfect structure of the joints can attain much flexibility. Next, age and gender. First, age. Age is directly related to flexibility. As we grow old, we lose flexibility. You know it very well. A young boy is much more flexible than the older one. Youngs are much more flexible in most of the cases. Youngs are much more flexible than the older ones, and flexibility decreases when we grow up. When we become aged, not grow up, but when we become aged, it reduces as per growing of the age. Right. Gender. This is a biological fact and physiologically proved that women are much more flexible than the men. In case of the athletes or gymnasts, a female gymnast or a female athletes or female sports persons, they are much more flexible than us, and females have much more flexibility. Age and gender. Next, contraction and stretchability of the muscles. Flexibility depends upon the shortest contraction and fullest expansion. So stretchability of the muscle, सबका muscle तो stretchability होता है, stretchable होते नहीं है. Someone is stiff, rigid, someone is very much flexible. So on the whole, flexibility depends upon the stretchability of the muscles, stretchability of the joints, the contraction and expansion of the muscles. So all these things are responsible for flexibility and they determine flexibility. Thank you very much.